ቀጣይ ጥያቄ ደግሞ ኢትዮጵያ ስትመጣ አዲስ አበባ ነው የገባው። ስለዚህ አዲስ አበባ ማለት ምንድነው ብለህ ነው የተረዳኸው? እስቲ
I got this idea, this thought also when somebody is telling that what is this place called. I asked, they told that it is Addis Ababa. Addis Ababa means it is the capital of Ethiopia. Then I asked, what is the meaning of Addis Ababa? Then somebody told me very clearly, Addis means new, Ababa means flower, new flower.
Okay.
So why it is called as new flower? Because I couldn't see any flowers there in the airport itself.
Okay.
Or in the Addis, I have not seen any flowers.
Okay.
But why they called as Addis Ababa as a new flower, I didn't understand. But somebody told one story that once upon a time there was a king moving on the horse so many years back, ancient time. And when the king was going on the horse, he could see on the road so many flowers are, very colored flowers are exposed outside. Then he could see the flowers, it is very attractive. Then he got an idea that new flowers are there. So he wanted to keep the name, this capital city, as a Addis Ababa means new flower. So that is the origin of the name of this Addis Ababa, which was very much attractive to listen to the history.
ተመልካቾቻችን እንደሰማችሁት ያው ከኢንዲያ እንደመጣና እኛ ደግሞ ስለ አዲስ አበባ ብዙ ነገርም ላናውቅ እንችላለን። ነገር ግን አዲስ አበባ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? እኛ አሁን ለምሳሌ ከተማ የኢትዮጵያ ካፒታል ሲቲ የኢትዮጵያ ዋና ከተማ እንደሚባለው ነው። ነገር ግን እሱ እንዳለው ምንድነው ያለው? ያው ንጉሱ በፈረስ ሲሄድ ብዙ አበባ አዳዲስ አበባዎችን አይቶ ከዛ በኋላ ይህንን አበባን ስም እንትን ሲያደርግ ምንድነው ያለው? አዲስ አበባ። ከዛም ቦታውን ምንድነው ያለው? አዲስ አበባ እንደሆነ ነው የተረዳውና ስለዚህ ስለሰማችሁንም እናመሰግናለን። በሌላ ቪዲዮ ደግሞ ወደፊት እንገናኛለን። ቴንክ ዩ።
ተባረካችሁ።